Honorable C note.
What's up, K-Nick? About to go ham on this bitch, y'all.
That's me.
I get it in all day. In the studio, all work, no play. I could pay a visit to your block broad day. Fuck what y'all say, I spit raw hard, yeah. Bills twisting up the sticky, not that barnyard. Hey, we just getting to the money, then get on all way. Yep, 3 whips back to back, followed by Cadillac truck sluts with us fake tits and they asses fat. Gutter ain't your average cat, I'm something like a savage that came up in the jungle and adjusted to his habitat. I'm sick of niggas garbage raps, I ain't about to battle rap. Grab a gat, hit him in his chest, make him cabbage patch him after that. Cheddar cheese, nigga, where the cabbage at? Gutter, motherfucker, there'll be nothing after that. I'm about to go ham on this motherfucking track. In fact, I'm better than a lot of niggas. Better get your raps intact. See me on that big screen and think shit sweet. Diarrhea music when I let this hot shit leak. Take heed and listen when the real niggas speak. Slide down a razor blade up shit's creek, nigga. I'm screaming M.O.B. Money over bullshit, don't bullshit me.
Hello world, it's little full clip me. Got wake your ass up, can't let them bullshit sleep. It's young money.
It's young money. It's young money. We take money. It's young money. It's young money. It's young money. We make money. Biatch.
I'm talking big money, bitch. Hammer stay cocked like Alfred the Hitch. Take money like a pimp, make money like a mint. Getting money is the only time life makes sense. People like me, but people like spiders. And spiders eat flies, and you know what flies eat. And kids are the only ones that really blush. I'm real as fuck. I pull that thing and hit them up. That bullet travel, hit a gut. Didn't hit you fitted up, hit your whole city up. Hit you while you're laying down, shots leave you sitting up. Run in the bathroom on your girl and get a titty fuck. Right after I bust a nut, I bust a gun, get rid of her. You bunch of pussies having a pity party. My guns look like they're in kindergarten. I'm the dirtiest seed in any garden. Got more stripes on my sleeve than any sergeant. The paralyzed feel me, the blind see me, and the deaf can hear me, and the smart fear me. Which side you on? Highway to heaven, I will drive you home.
I'm screaming M.O.B. Money over bullshit, don't bullshit me.
Hello world, it's little full clip me. Got wake your ass up, can't let them bullshit sleep. It's young money.
It's young money. It's young money. We take money. It's young money. It's young money. It's young money. We make money.
Eagle Street, where them 20s go for 25. Bitch, I'm a boss, I got your hoe in my assembly line. Here's Weezy F, in the F is for finish line. I saved us from hip-hop genocide. Medication in my cup because my flow sick. Got a syringe in my drawers, call it dope dick. Hear my girl say you niggas can't fuck with me. Check my footsteps, look like there was a couple me's. We ain't promised tomorrow, but I feel immortal. Bullets beat your ass up like Miguel Cotto. I'm the real Zorro, rest in peace Toro. And when I die, bury me in all polo. Kanye's on my feet with 2 ponytails. Bitch, I'm hotter than going to hell. Oh well, and the money is my only meal. And I'm the God sipping syrup out the Holy Grail. Oh well, and you ain't known shit, nigga, you ain't known shit. This young moolah baby, lose your mind to every song, bitch. I'm in the cherry tone 6, I'm with a cherry tone bitch. And she got very strong lips, she got baritone lips. So I tell her carry on bitch. And when you in my home bitch, you are coming out of your house of very own shit. Twitter Wayne at the top of every song list. I'm spitting like a long kiss, live from the throne, bitch.
I'm screaming M.O.B. Money over bullshit, don't bullshit me.
Hello world, it's little full clip me. Got wake your ass up, can't let them bullshit sleep. It's young money.
It's young money. It's young money. We take money. It's young money. It's young money. it's Young Money. Hey, we make money. Hey, yeah.